Okay, so in this section we're going to talk about extensions and how they can really change and make the design process in RoboFont so much better and quicker. And so in order to do that, we're going to install an extension to RoboFont that installs extensions, and that's called Mechanic. So all I did was go to robofontmechanic.com. You can just Google RoboFont Mechanic, and it's an extension manager. That means it will install extensions for you, but it will also it will check for updates for all those extensions and notify you if there is an update or change, which happens semi-often. All you need to do is click download, and it will, if you open up the RoboFont X extension here, you just double click it, and when it installs, it will give you this little item in the extensions menu called Mechanic 2. And Mechanic is on the web page, and in the extension, it's like a registry for all these different scripts and extensions that the community is providing to other members of the community in RoboFont, and it's what really makes RoboFont an exciting application to design in, because you have contributions from big companies like Adobe, all the way down to individual contributions from working designers and programmers from all across the world, and RoboFont wouldn't be what it is today without all the contributions from all these really, really great people. So if you want to install something, you just kind of highlight it and you click install, or you can double click on it and it'll take you to that extensions page, and it can tell you a little bit more how to use it. But so this is a really great extension. It's kind of like a little marketplace of extensions. If you click on the little gears here, it gives you a little bit of like technical information about where it's getting the data from, but it by default it checks for updates when you start up RoboFont. If that gets a little bit too annoying, you can always uncheck this, so you kind of check for updates manually when you want to, instead of it happening every time you open up RoboFont. And yeah, and so in the next section we're going to install some extensions and see how they really can supercharge the way that we design in RoboFont.